I'm going to show you how to add facts in Replika AI. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So if you want to add facts about yourself to your Replika AI companion, you can edit your profile within the app settings, specifically in the My Profile section, and then save your changes. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and be on this interface, and now look at the top left corner. So there's a home option where you can change your clothes, and if you look at the top right corner, then there's a settings option. Since we're trying to go to settings, tap there. And now once you're here, you just need to tap on account and now tap on interests. So you can add interests for your Replika AI and tap on save. So you have added a fact about your companion. If you want to add more, then you can go back to the interface or home screen and look at the top where there's your companion's name. Just go ahead and tap here and scroll down till you find options like traits. Tap on add, and now you can add some traits to your companion. Go back and now you can see interests again. You have the option for voice. There's also backstory where you can add some backstory to your companion. So these are the facts about your companion. So this is how you add facts in Replika AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.